Okay, and go on follow you tell via house type vehicle where you dey run.
I get one vehicle on a 10-tire Volvo FH12. They drive am from Freetown to Kenema. They go from Freetown to Kono. All about the country I can travel.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
So this vehicle where you dey run, so I go on follow you tell via how long you don't take for the drive am.
This almost this time is 7 months now from Margeta. But they drive this truck here.
Okay.
Yes.
So how long you don't take pan driving?
This time is 14 years now I don't take from driving. 14 years.
So for now, the toll where you dey cross each toll, how much you can pay?
Each one toll it cost me 183,000 per each one toll. What they move load now for go upline. They want they come back. Each one toll it cost me 183,000 what they come.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you know about the new price list where the outway say starting from March, drivers and for start for pay am, right?
Yes, I don't get the information. Although they no conclude to it, but we don't get the rumor. Because they say this March coming first. They say now we all the type then 10 them. Each one toll get for cost fee something like a 700,000. But and it's too much for we. Because now 3 toll get to get along the highway. So just imagine 10 like this will take up to 30 ton. If you go pay each one toll 700 times 3, that's about 2,100,000. Okay, 2 million plus 2,100,000, not 4,200,000. So if you go pull like money, beside fuel, no they oil, something like that, no they do, no they. I expect you back for do your own business. You back na business what they do. So that side they would appeal to the Papa government. That side they let them look into them. It gets me, and it's too much for we. Then the problem they encounter, let them make the differences between the 10 tires and the trailers there, because not the same amount to the take. Trailer they take up to 60 to 65, 70 ton. Like this, they take 25 ton to 30 ton. So if this go pay 700, 10 tire they take up to 70 ton. In back you go pay 700. I see that day. That side we they get we get that problem there. Let the government look into that side between the trailers there. We not supposed to pay the same amount because not the same capacity to take. If you then check into the tonnage, trailer they take higher than we. So let them look into them. Yeah.
So before now, una be don meet una union and then una be don tell them about this particular issue.
Yeah.
For now.
Yeah, we don't meet we don't tell them, but still they tell me say allow hold on for stay until them back they meet the Ministry of Transportation. Anything where they get tender, later them can get on to we. So na the hang so back we hang right about this 700,000 where they say 10 time for pay, trailer for pay is too much for we. If they say that they pop for pay that day, we the people who do the business, beaucoup of we get for fall. Because this they affect the layman what they right inside the village. They affect the layman. Something mal quick, something better small, but the ones that will be saying no be worker, pass motor can work, I got something for her. So na panel more than get for pull the cost. Because something in a driver. You understand? So if you guys pin permit say I for buy 30,000 for 1 liter fuel. Now the passenger will they come. Maybe I can just get for increase me on price. So that's the problem. So this is to the driver now for all over the people in the country. All man
So if the price remain the same, like the 700 where you talk about, so now una say for na your price una get for Sam.
Yeah, and of course anybody could just get for increase them because now from that transportation they get for pull that money day. We pay for the toll. Because not me money we get na me house or the one get na me bank and they go pull and pay for the toll. Then from the passengers. So now the problem that they encounter, yeah?
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you too.
Yeah. Mamadou Rijalo, truck driver.
Okay. So type truck where you did drive?
6 tire.
So how long you don't take for drive truck?
10 years.
10 years now you don't drive truck, and now we don't see the new price for toll. We said March 1st, then you forget a new price for the toll. I go on follow you tell viewers as an experienced driver, waiting this really mean toll now.
This is the affect we the truck driver there. Because some man na for post they work. The money where they pay na the toll gate, it's too much. We get some checkpoints them back na the road there. Like Kono Road, we get past 10 checkpoints there. Any checkpoint where you meet, na money then they ask you pass your book before they pass. You can't meet up toll gate. If you then come back, they add the toll gate for 40,000 for 6 tire. They say 10 tire till 700,000. It's too much. Particular that side, they support for AP for light and pin and down for the toll gate.
So this how you want for them put and down? Which you want for like the price? How you want for them put and down?
The price, Satiti Motka then the difference they like 10 tire with Chela. The way within they load not to the same. Chela they take 60 ton, 65 ton, 70 ton. 10 tire they take 25, 30. The difference is beaucoup de. If the money be the same, enough fine for the way then are the 10 tire. Because for go and Kano they pay 4,200,000. Now for pussy they work. What they can give the way get that much car they get for buy fuel. They get what I expenditure then at the road back. They like what I tell you is for them checkpoints then. And they only there on top for the much car. You back in a day they get wood to family. You know get for easy for we.
So like this price, if the government continue with them, waiting on I get for do.
Possibly for them to union. And then they for able to help you for the price for light them pin and down. If not then the all man they strain for this. The layman in they suffer. Because waiting go up, the layman the way they go buy. Because we see that they go up, all the price back they increase they go up. Transport now get old thing. Now the problem. The layman now get for a strain. Now make you the pray for about government for like different wood bag 10 tire, wood tila. Anyhow them pin the price down. Like the 10 tire man no say na this they pay. The tailor back no say na this they pay. Like be no be the same price because not to the same load and they carry.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
My name Balance Mamara.
Okay, so what type of vehicle you dey run?
I dey run one Renault truck,
Okay, so how many tire?
6 tires.
Okay, so like for now, how much you dey pay toll?
Well, we dey pay 18,000, but we dey resale over pay 40,000. And if we pay that day, it go more the last citizen at the village. It go more am because when toll gate price go up, automatically everything they go up. So we dey plead to the government and the drivers union president. We say we been there, let them left with it. If they no come down, let them left and there. So we dey beg them. Then for the ordinary citizen, we no afford wetin go get. We dey try for talk in terms of not for some man get, some no get. But the one no get, now we dey think of.
So before now, when una don receive this message, una be don talk to una union executive them and waiting be their response.
Well, then tell we say, then call them for meeting. But the meeting now, it's like now 2 of them in don't talk, then they invite them. So they not get too much say in there. You get me? Now that small understanding we get from there.
So if it is told ya so it meet up say it happen say the price where they don't put na in una supposed for pay, waiting get for be una respond.
Well, if it left to me, where the price now fits me, I dey pack me motorcar. I dey pack am. I don't know for the next man, but me, I dey pack me own. Because I dey think of the last man. If me can pay high, automatically the price of the goods where the carry go, I must add another price on top. But for stop that, I dey pack me motorcar. Let's see waiting the government and we union go come at we on aid for let the last man at the village is able to survive. Not for we in the city now, for the last man at the province. Now we think about.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I'm John Safar.
Okay, so how many years you don't take pan driving?
Well, I don't take 25 years for driving.
So 25 years, waiting at some of the experience that way you don't get.
Well, some of the experience that I don't get through the driving, it's like presently, how the system they go, in all right with we. But we they manage small, we they manage they go. But if we don't manage throughout this fuel system, the kind they so, we they manage for at least now they able to attend the good system because the more you buy fuel, you pay toll gate, at least na prices never go up. You find out say cartoon there, rest bag, everything they go up. So at the end of the day, the landman na ain't for feel that pinch. You see, so it's like how the system be done there. Like we don't so with the manage life small they go. You see, and especially this toll gate where they talk about not a new virgin road. Now road they just extend. You know go find they pay. They will get more 25 years for go. It don't make no sense. You see, at least men and left and so, it go all right. So, but whether we can blame even with president who get as driver, senior president. Because things like this, they can call them, but you know, can't get that way or inform we, or able to know how they put things on deck so that it go, because now the middleman between the drivers and the government. So at least what they call it, don't do polite, can call we all who put hands on deck. Now, so thing they tell we, oh, how we see them. From what you they talk back, it go able to go the feedback. You see? But at the end of the day, if you left no more without everything, so it not go about good picking.
So if March 1st then start to implement the new price list for the toll, waiting get for be una respond. Like you so waiting go be yours.
Well, now two alternatives. You don't understand. Neither prices then go up or park the vehicle. You see? Because at least we're not going to fight government. Waiting and talk, we go there by hand. But no more, the least man get for suffer the pain. Because now if you imagine for pool, then can ace back for pool one get back grace. For goat and Kenema, then begin tell you about 40,000, 30,000. At the end of the day, how you can buy, how you pay transport, how you get for go sell. So instead, them for just left and so, low the beer. You see, because even they know inside, look how business they go. Motka and pack business no be. You see, so do you men left and so. You see? Oh, at least Mr. Sandy himself, where at least the Ministry of Transportation, then they himself for those reason. You see, at least. The thing about we all, no make and small they go. Because for now suffering they on. Then nobody will able to tell you say at least and then you suffer this that. But at least they manage yourself by how the system they go. You know go buy game and count more addition. You see, so I believe say men and never so. I didn't almost so like that.
Thank you very much.
No problem, welcome.
My name Usman Ahmed Toure in the bracket. I name AIG Toure. Country AIG for all the drivers in this country are now in the talk. It's on the line.
Okay, so how many years you don't take for drive?
Well, I'm getting up to 25 years now as a professional driver, not only Sierra Leone but all over Virant, all over the world.
Okay, so you get vast experience on driving. So how you see the driving sectors right now?
Well, things are very hard. Things are very difficult. Very, really difficult. Because you look at the passengers, them cruise no day, for go upline, for come back, easy. They're really easy. They find it very difficult. For more gets a load, for more gets load, for more carry we can upline and go down back upline for Canada downtown. Easy.
So for now, what type of motor you run?
Well now 6 star I get 6 star semi trailer.
So how you run from Freetown to outside?
I go as far as Skyland. From Freetown as far as Skyland. Now that I can travel, now that I can go load boat from then I head into Freetown.
Okay, so for now how much they pay the toll?
Well, they pay me they pay 18,000 loans. Why entire 18,000? Entire 183,000 loans. Why trailer now 183,000 loans. So on Sunday we get a press release from the Minister of Transport and Aviation. Puts a press release for say from 60 for pay 40,000 loans for each toll gate. White entire for pay 700,000 loans and the trailer 700,000 loans for each toll gate. So now that look we baffle we because not for we more, but now for the least man holding another fakai, holding another suburb. Now they look out for. Understand? If they say government they say they ace up the toll gate. Understand? Now the people don't get for so far because so there is environment. You see, but we not go so happy. So the appeal to the government, to the Minister of Transport and Aviation, may talk to the president. Talk to the president. May they left at this minimum. Might as well they pay that 18,000 loans, 83,000 loans. Now for the people them, they are na big with the big.
So if actually then decide for left the price like how it don't come also for March 1st, then decide for left the toll price, what you get for big action?
No, if they left on that price, then we're not gonna get no problem. You see, that will go gladly. You see, but also if there is some.
If they is the price, I mean the one where they don't pull the price where they don't pull for March 1st. What? If they walk towards that price.
I mean, if you not suitable for me, I park me motor car. I tell you owner of the motor car, I say, well, me I no go able because I no go able because I need pay. What come? I go for go pay master lorry. Then I go for pay for the man who they give me load. Then I go for buy fuel. Understand it? All until they make construction would they make come out. If they make come out, they say no more my park until me I no go able because I don't want anything to stress me. So I go decide for park the truck.
Okay, so wetin na the message wey you dey add to all wetin you don say so?
While me they beg the Minister of Transport and Aviation, they are may talk to Papa government, may they make up for we easily, may they left and that 18,000 and that 183,000 those. Understand? At the big, at the pretty, not for real, for that list man, who didn't have that mommy, who never buy, never afford. Because they say na so things they no more they go escalate, people them, no press control. At the big Papa government, may they reason out, may they talk, they are may they left at that minimum price. So they are.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome. My pleasure. This is AIG Toure, Virant, the only country AIG. Okay, thank you.
Me na Alan Santui.
Okay, so how many years you don't take for drive?
Well, up to 20 years now.
Okay, so what type vehicle you dey drive?
Well, presently now I dey drive one small truck wey na Atigo, small truck.
Okay, so now how many tire?
Na 6 star.
Okay, so what's how the driving sectors look like right now for una?
Well, the driving sector wey we be dey expect so people and be dey benefit from dey, but now we not dey benefit from the driving sector again. Because we the young generation, we not dey benefit nothing from these driving sectors for now. Because why are they try for talk so? Think there the constraint the way they take now they go them boku. Think that right now where they apple with we will not get voice. Anything over where then go accuse we in a police station, only wait till then they demand to you, then say you guilty or not. Where you say you're not guilty, then say go remand. Where you say guilty, then fine you. So our driver go get say in the country. But we the drivers then, now we the drive the president then. We the drivers then. Now we the same, now we the bring income na this country. Because we government stands for today without driving a lie.
Okay. So you just come because I see this truck here so loaded with goods and not offload it. What happen?
Well, one day we go offload na gas street. The night na they then pass this law say the trucks that we then can come out like we can come out then kenema, bien kenema. We can the car inside with them banana bag, other half food tray for the people in a toy for can sell. And people then can all load with or they can gas street. We can do from morning time with the upload say afternoon time. Who the upload will come out there. But now they don't put law and say we not for pack day again. We not for the day 6 o'clock not for meet with day. And say now so the police they don't go. We don't know that pass the law. We don't know that not pass the law. We not sabi. Who can say now the judge can't tell we say the police and say anybody so any driver truck driver who then catch you under they upload them fruits there so then they hold. So from that sending now, we can come up like how they come. We see 5 o'clock meet we now so pass we can park na Texacoya. And how they can park now so people in market there they spoil. You don't that person they don't suffer. You don't go buy in market standard. You don't cater say well ma can sell ma go able get wait they eat with me family then. At the end of the day can't police sell motoka. Tell me ba I want for me that market so man go survive. I want back for me the driver go able get him money in back. He get what campaign boss. He get what get you living for your family there. I expect to make that driver they go able get money. So now I make I tell you say we the new generation then now we not get no natural they do say today they go able build us. A strong sababu.
So for these things they are so right now we load because we dey see banana, we dey see half thing they win a perishable goods them. So what do you get for do now? Because this way it's map say during the ending of the day some go they way don't spoil. So what do you get for do right now?
The only thing we get for do now make good now where they come for can interview we would they tell una maybe una your voice go able meet the government so that make them go able no wait then get for do for Uber for me then go able stop this way so way they don't do so. This law way they don't pass so for you, make them go able stop and make them market there so go they go, make them offload them, make them people and get their own survival back. More Uber get we own survival. Right now, we not get no side for go this country also. Now we dey. So if you see them pass any law so far where they can against we so far now we then they suffer with the drivers there.
Okay, so what's another message where they at all with you don't say so?
Well, I dey tell the government for make them go steal. Car into we own cry with the drivers there. Checkpoint them Bokuna Road. The checkpoint then Dana Road, who will they pay money to? Who will they give? Any checkpoint over where they come, and if the soldier man get for go meet you, say they can't check this truck. Tell me but like I don't load and so. They say for check this truck here. You go able for upload and they. So at the end of the day, pass dem get for delay, they say to the time wey the car so now, load don can clean for you. If they go down and gas tips for go upload and say load not the day for go offload, pass you can't park here, even say go upload. That the people are young goods then are they spoil. And who back who must carry them back then, still back then, they back now the same suffering. Because you don't go load, you expect the way they offload that you must go dey empty and that side go more stronger. But the load the day from money from like I load and no money, so they say in the evening now back. We've been big us again because one, the sleepless nights we don't get already done. But mono can be again in 2 days time back. Because you don't pull a hand and one day they don't spend. At the end of the day, that back you don't count the rest of the day also back. Now next back just they don't go spend another night back. The night when you will spend with your family there, now the same night they go spend outside back. And they're all in fear. So we they ask government for make we able help with the drivers there. For make we able put these things in place.
Okay.
So now
Thank you very much.
yeah, thank you.